As always, my name's Jasper, and what we're going to be covering today is ChatGPT for real estate, and more importantly, streamlining property listings and client queries. So let's dive straight into streamlining the property listings and how we're going to do that. So what I've got here is two examples of pretty bad house descriptions. So we've got one that is just house for sale, 4-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 25k, and not a lot of information. So what we want to do is we want to take this generic information and make it into a very good, let's say, property description. So what we've got here is a custom prompt that I've built. All these prompts and all the details will be in the description of this video. So if you want to take a look yourself, that's fine. You'll be able to open it up and copy and paste these prompts as needed. So it goes, transform the following property description into an engaging and enticing listing that highlights the property's best features in a positive light. Use vivid and appealing language to paint a picture that captures the imagination of potential buyers. Ensure the tone is professional and inviting, and emphasize on any unique selling points and the potential for buyer to make the space their own. Include the given details, bedrooms, bathroom, and price, but expand on them to showcase the property's charms and possibilities. So that's really good. So what we do is we copy and paste that. For now, I will use GPT-4 as it's the most up-to-date and best version. If you have ChatGPT, you'll most likely be able to get access to this. So let's paste that in. And then we want to include the details of the bad prompt. So this is the unique property details. So you would take your one and add it here. Let's just say property description. And then we go like this. There we go. So let's see what happens. Taking a little bit of time. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so we've got nestled in a family-friendly neighbourhood. This is an inviting abode, presents splendid opportunity at an accessible price point of $250,000. So as you can see, it's a lot longer. It's going to be a lot better, more engaging, and it will be better than what they had here. So this will obviously always change depending on the information you give it. The more information you give ChatGPT or GPT-4, 3.5, it doesn't matter, the more they'll be able to do with it, because they have a better understanding of the unique situation. But let's try it again. And this time we won't even have to write the previous prompt because it will remember what it's been told previously. So let's go, please do the same for this property description. Alright, so there you go. So we've got welcome to the contemporary urban retreat, 3-bedroom and 1.5 bathroom condominium, offered at a competitive price of $300,000. So yeah, obviously you can see it's a lot better. It's doing a lot more with it as well, so it's a bit longer than the previous one. So obviously that would be a lot better than this. Alright, so let's dive into the next one. So we're going to go examples. So what we want to do next is the FAQs. So usually you're going to have FAQs on your website, or maybe you want to have a list and give it to clients, but knowing what real world questions are can be a bit difficult. So what you can do is you can use a prompt like this and go generate a comprehensive set of FAQs for prospective home buyers and sellers that addresses common concerns and queries in the real estate industry. Now this is quite long, so I won't have to read it all to you. Like I said before, you'll be able to find this in the description and you'll be able to just copy and paste it and use as you need. So what you would usually do is copy this, and then any unique details about your real estate agency or yourself as an agent, you will just be able to put that in there, so you'll get sort of a unique FAQ answers that is more, I guess, made towards you, customized towards you. So let's do this. Let's grab the prompt, so paste it in there. Now I won't put any extra details in, so we'll just go over this prompt and let's see how it goes. Alright, so as you can see, it writes out the frequently asked question and the answer, and usually it will give you about 10, but let's see how many it does. Awesome, so it's still going. Alright, so this is quite a long one. I wasn't expecting that. So what we've got here is buying a home. So you've got questions all related to people buying a home. Then we have selling a home. So all the questions related to selling a home. Then financing options. That's here as well. Now, it's best that you actually read this information as well. You don't want to just copy and paste blindly. Make sure that what it's saying is correct. Anything that isn't correct, you can just remove out or change to make it correct. Then you've got real estate professionals, and the last one's there. So a good set of frequently asked questions that will no doubt cover basically all your clients' questions. And if you have those unique details in there as well, it would give some unique answers about yourself. So yeah, that's everything. Now, I do want to say that I actually offer ChatGPT training. So that's for individual and businesses. It's worldwide, so be able to do it online or wherever necessary. I also do custom workshops, so if you are interested in that at all, please get in touch and I can show you how to use ChatGPT and GPT-4 a bit more advanced. But thanks for watching today's video and look forward to seeing you in the next one.